Hi, my amazing YouTube friends. Welcome to Maria's Art Story. Today's video is about how to make this wall decor. I have seen this design few months ago in YouTube and always wanted to try. So let's see how it's made. To begin with, we need a round mirror, an empty cereal box. So next time when you have an empty cereal box, don't throw it away. We can always make something out of it. And then you need some plastic spoons. Any color is fine. So let's open the cereal box now. On this, we are going to draw straight lines and each of the line measuring 1/4 of an inch. So for this project, I needed about 48 of them. Cut them into strips. Okay, so the strips are ready now. And take one of them and glue the ends together so that it forms a loop. So we have the 48 loops here, and like how in movies you have part 1 and part 2, similarly in this wall decor you have design 1 and design 2. What I'm making now is design 1. So we need 12 of them in each design. Over to design 2. So in this design, you just glue the opposite ends together and you make 12 sets of them. Bring out the spoons and please cut them as shown. So we need 48 pieces. What I am doing here is taking design 1 and gluing the spoons to the base of each loop. For the second design, I am gluing the spoons to the opposite ends. So for the base of the mirror, I just cut it out in a cardboard. And I'm going to spray paint everything using this color. This is from Design Master and the color is Super Silver. I got this from Michael's. It is also available in Walmart and other craft stores. So I'm going ahead and spray painting everything in silver. It's time to assemble. So take the mirror and take design 1 and arrange it around the mirror. Glue the pieces to the mirror. So if you're happy with how just design 1 looks, then use this design, but if you want to add more, then include design 2 and arrange them as shown. This is the final look, guys. Try this and leave comments on how it turns out. And if you liked this video, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Thank you so much for watching. Take care and God bless.